My boys, today we're going to talk about the power of influence and persuasion. You see, persuasion is the currency of influence. It is the art of swaying minds, hearts, and decisions in your favor. A man who masters the art of persuasion holds the key to unlocking endless possibilities. I introduce to you my consigliere, who's going to take you on this revealing journey of what it means to make an offer they can't refuse. Trust in his wisdom acquired over time, just as I do.
Hello, folks. As a man, persuasion is a skill that will elevate you to great heights and grant you the power to shape your world. Imagine possessing the ability to present an offer so compelling, so irresistible, that it becomes impossible for others to turn it down. Imagine having the ability to bend others to your will and yield to your demands without necessarily resorting to brute force. Such, my friends, is the power of making an offer they can't refuse. It is an art that delves into the depths of human desires and fears to create a proposition that is impossible to resist. By understanding the psychology of individuals, crafting a tailored offer, and strategically leveraging consequences, you will sway minds and bend wills to your advantage. Making an offer they can't refuse is a formidable tool, a gateway to influence and control, but it must be wielded with caution and responsibility. Join me as we explore the intricacies of this art and uncover the secrets behind its impressive feats. To make an offer they can't refuse is a powerful art, a delicate dance of influence and persuasion that I have mastered over the years. You see, it's all about tapping into the very core of a person's desires and fears, understanding what makes them tick. First, you must identify what truly matters to the person you're dealing with. What are their dreams, their ambitions, their deepest wishes? It could be money, power, or the safety of their loved ones. Find that sweet spot, that yearning within their soul. Once you have grasped their desires, it's time to craft an offer that speaks directly to those desires. It must be so enticing, so attractive that it becomes an irresistible temptation. Paint a picture of the future they've always dreamed of, a life filled with abundance and security. Remember, friends, power is a double-edged sword. To make an offer they can't refuse, you must also introduce the consequences of refusal. Show them the dark shadows lurking in the corners, the dangers that await if they dare to turn away. Make them understand the cost of saying no, the price they would pay for rejecting this golden opportunity. But here's the key. You must do all of this subtly, like a skilled puppeteer pulling the strings behind the scenes. Let them believe that the offer is the only logical choice, that it aligns perfectly with their interests and values. Give them the illusion of autonomy while guiding them towards the path you've carefully laid out. So you see, to make an offer they can't refuse is to tap into the deepest desires and fears of a person, to present them with an irresistible opportunity while subtly reminding them of the dire consequences of refusal. It is the art of subtle manipulation with elegance, my friends, a dance of power and persuasion that ensures their compliance and loyalty. To truly master this art, you must possess an acute understanding of human psychology. I have put in the description links to psychology books that will give you grasp on how the human mind works. Take the time to read, as it would broaden your scope on the dynamics of human functioning. You must study your target, observe their weaknesses, and exploit them with finesse. Remember, people are driven by self-interest and self-preservation. Find the chinks in their armor, the desires they dare not speak of openly. Once you have identified their vulnerabilities, you must create an offer that addresses their deepest needs. It should be like a perfectly tailored suit, custom-made to fit their aspirations. Whatever it is, make it irresistible, so appealing that it dances on the edge of their dreams. But a formidable offer must also carry weight. It must come with consequences, my friend. You must demonstrate the magnitude of what they stand to gain and what they stand to lose. Paint a vivid picture of the rewards awaiting them if they accept, but also cast a shadow of what awaits should they refuse. Let them feel the weight of that choice, the potential regret that will haunt their every step. Timing, my friends, is of the utmost importance. Strike when the iron is hot, when they are vulnerable or seeking a way out of their troubles. That is when your offer will resonate the most, when they are most likely to succumb to its allure. Patience is key. Bide your time until the perfect moment presents itself. And finally, my friends, remember that trust and loyalty are invaluable currencies. Forge a bond, build a relationship based on mutual benefit. Let them know that accepting your offer will not only bring them personal gain, but also align them with a powerful ally. one who will watch over them, protect their interests, and make them a feared adversary. So you see, friends, to make an offer they can't refuse is a delicate dance of understanding human nature. Crafting an offer that caters to their desires, presenting it with the weight of consequences, and building trust to seal the deal. It is an art that requires finesse, subtlety, and a deep understanding of the human soul. To make an offer they can't refuse embodies the essence of power and influence. It refers to the art of presenting an offer so compelling and irresistible that the recipient has no choice but to accept it, regardless of their initial reservations or desires. Influence and persuasion hold tremendous power in shaping the course of events and the actions of others. They are the tools of the skilled communicator, the masterful negotiator, and the visionary leader. Making an offer they can't refuse is an art that combines the mastery of persuasion and strategic manipulation. It is a powerful tool wielded by those who seek to influence and control, allowing you to shape destinies and ensure compliance. By tapping into the deepest desires and fears of individuals, crafting an irresistible proposition, and presenting it with the weight of consequences, you will create a compelling offer that is difficult to resist. However, it is essential to exercise this power responsibly. When done with finesse and authenticity, making an offer they can't refuse will pave the way for relationships built on respect and mutual benefit. Thanks for watching. Now take the time to smash that subscribe button so we can keep growing the community together. See you in the next video.